deal. No, cut it up. Meat deal.
Are you looking for?
There you go.
Got that. Oh. That metal? That's the metal part.
That's metal. That's you got to saw through that. It's aluminum though, isn't it?
Nope. Huh? That's steel.
Cool.
Clean. Nice. And by clean, I mean done. You consult my instructions. That's done. Cut the thing. Smooth and deburr the cut area. Or not.
I'm just looking. I'm just pre-fitting just to make sure we're not interfering.
Dinan oil cooler mounts to the 2 original M8 studs.
Okay, we just need a file. So
Dinan oil cooler mounts to the 2 original M8 studs and the 2 lower front metal insert bushings for the Dinan oil cooler frame.
which we already got. We did that.
Install the orange rubber mount to the Dinan oil cooler frame as shown in figure 3.
Where do you see it?
So there's a little orange little stop.
It must have come with it because I don't see it anywhere else. Goes here then, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's this bracket?
This bracket.
Oh, you got it out already?
That goes there. Yeah. Is it easier to mount?
Mount it to this first, I would think.
Yeah.
Well, no, actually it won't because once we're gonna have to put it on this way now. You got to put that on first because you can't. They're 90 degrees apart.
Let's shift float left to right.
Oh, we can get to it after the fact anyway. So okay.
Okay. Now.
So you got this bolt here.
Which one is it?
This Allen. It looks like.
It's this nut. This one.
Is it? And then you got to use the other wave washer then. Or these have to go the other way. Flip around. Yep. That's what's wrong. So I got to take these inserts out and put them for the other side. Okay.
Special move was that, Mike?
Huh? Which one?
Was that the lick and slip?
Yes. It's a family channel, Bryce. Come on. I'll stick the nuts on real, just kind of loose, and then you can line yours up, and then I'll tighten these. Because it can hang off of these. All right, it's all yours. Go ahead. All right.
Serious ram air, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Ram air the bugs right into there so it doesn't work anymore.
Yeah. What do you get around here? Love bugs?
Yep.
Acid bugs.
Is that what they are? Acid bugs.
Etch into the coating, right? Perfect.
Etch right on there. Ruins everything. Including fun. So we're in, eh?
Inner, outer. Okay, very good. I'm glad I looked.
What? Which
Just the hoses. Yeah, because there's 2 of them. You threw the other bag away. Just want to make sure we had the right ones. Are you filming, Bryce?
Yeah.
Okay, I think these go.
Start.
Getting me chewing.
I'm not the. Yeah, get Matt eating his natural habitat. Eat and observe. Their supervision is necessary.
Somebody has to read the instructions.
That's right. I can't read, so this is your helping. Car's up.
Just look at that.
Huh? Multitasking.
Spicy Chick-fil-A sandwich. I should be sponsored. Are those aluminum or are they plastic?
Those are aluminum, yeah.
I didn't wear any gloves.
I'm not germaphobe, and that's gross.
Oh, we had another oil spill.
I don't think so. I haven't taken anything off. Alright, we got a bit of a conundrum here.
Can't get the nut on there?
No, because the fittings are, the hex on the fittings is in the way of, you can't get a socket in there.
Oh,
They say,
Yeah,
right. No, it's not, has nothing to do with that. Oh, that's why, they gave you a new bolt.
yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, I left my post.
Yeah, you did. I was like, this factory bolt's not gonna work.
Put the 8mm by 25mm Allen bolt and serrated lock washer on that spot.
takes the time on that.
Well, you gotta turn it, you gotta lift up, turn a little bit.
All right, I'll get the bolt out. I'll get the other one in. We're ready to put the other one in, right?
Yep, the O-rings are already on that on the, I'm coming, I promise.
I wonder if you could fit a 1/4 inch. What size is that thing?
Got me. Well, Mike said you couldn't fit the head of the socket in there or something.
He doesn't have the skills that I got. Oh man, he knows what he's doing. Okay, that's not what we want. We want this bad boy. And that is a 6mm. That'll do it. What the heck did I do with the ratchet? What did I do with it? The little baby one. Dear Lord.
Is it behind those gloves right there? No, that's
Yeah, that's it.
the baby one.
Yeah, that's what I want, little baby. I love this little guy. This is my favorite tool in the whole arsenal. Crap, which one's which?
Where's our paper at?
Shoot, we're helpless without a...
So that one goes there.
Which one, this one?
Yeah.
How do you know which one's which? They look the same.
Well, this one has a shorter neck on it. This one has a longer neck. So
Oh.
that's the outer hose.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So we'll put the short one on first and then...
Well, that maybe. Did you get it in there?
Yep.
Cool.
In, torqued. And we just need to tighten these puppies.
Yep. And then there's a clip that came with them too. Keep them together.
All right, let me get back to my instructions here. Okay, where was I?
It actually doesn't show it bolting to anything. It just floats. Yeah, no bolt. Just floats. So it's just like that.
Oh, yeah.
It just floats. And then, well, you got to put this on first though. This other,
This thing?
yeah, that goes right here.
What was that? 14? 13.
It goes through the
Yeah.
mount. And this one.
I like to have maximum comfort.
That.
Tell you what, this Dinan stuff is clean, man.
Oh yeah, they think about it. They put thought into it for sure.
Just don't know about the future. Although it won't matter for me because I'm not buying any future BMWs. These are going to be old ones, stinky old ones.
Oh, you mean as far as development?
Yeah.
Because you'll be just buying old product.
Yeah. It's already been vetted.
Developed. Yep.
The heck? Did they give us different nuts for this? Yeah, it's a different nut. It's got to be. This sucker doesn't fit. No wonder I can't get this stupid. Ah, yeah. Sitting here trying to.
There you go.
While you're in there, put this right here. This one goes.
Okay.
So those hoses don't rub. They get together. You're gonna be right.
You're not even close to it. Did we do something wrong here?
Well, the car has to be pulled up a little more. I don't know. They put it in there with the kids. So.
Here, give me that. This where they zip tied it on the blue part?
Yeah.
Or interesting. What are you looking for?
They skipped from 24 to 27. You need a 26.
What kind of junk is that?
Yeah, that's not gonna work. I got them tight with an open-end wrench, but I would rather use a.
No 26.
Nope. It goes. Then it goes 30 and 32, 24, 27, and then you go down to 19, 22, and the 26 is what those are.
Don't think they were working on BMWs here? That thing barely gets on there.
That's the bumper from the inside.
Oh crap.
Do you?
Yep. There's a little house cut out. It's like a house there at the time.
Hey, you don't. Oh yeah, you do have 1 inch. I think it's 1 inch open in actually. Here,
What?
those fittings.
I'm done.
I just want to see if they are. They might not be metric. Yeah, they're 1 inch to be. 26 is close to an inch. 25.4 is an inch, but
Yeah.
this is the actual proper size.
Okay. Remove the P&S reservoir bracket. This part will not be reused. Save the nuts. Nuts and washers. Okay, step 13. Locate the two 5/8 inch long pieces of 3/16 inch hose. Slide these over the two studs.
Yep,
Where are the studs?
right here. It's these.
Find that. Okay, these were in the package somewhere. So D393. Gosh, you want to talk about making this car better? I mean, just think about how much we've done to this thing
Yeah.
in comparison to where it was when I got it.
Oh yeah, no doubt about it.
So,
Well, if someone was going to pay a shop to do all these upgrades
oh yeah.
after the fact. So they must just have these little pieces on here to protect the hose from the stud sticking out. My guess. All right, so now what?
All right.
Hose, little bits of
Two
hose. around
studs.
there. That's
Go
done.
wrap. Reposition the P&S reservoir in the bracket as shown in figure 5. You also need to bend the lower tab upward slightly as shown in figure 5. Here's our new bracket.
Okay. So that's loose. Now where's the bracket go?
Bend this bracket upward slightly. This one. Use the
You have
spacer
it.
only if necessary.
That's your spacer over there, plastic piece.
Flip it. No, that's right. This goes underneath.
Like that.
Uh-oh, what was that?
Nothing. It's in here. Fluid.
Oh,
And then this has got to go
it goes underneath.
under here, right?
Yeah, but turned.
Yeah, so this has got to go like that. This goes back here. And this... No.
No, it goes.
Looks like it.
I think it goes like this.
But look at the picture. Yeah, it goes like that. But,
It turns.
yeah, and it's here.
Yeah, the other one comes up here.
Yeah, uh-huh. like this.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, so we need the bolts for that.
M6 by 16 millimeter. What is this?
It's what? That's the. It's the side of this here. It's right here. Because this goes like this. So it's looking at the picture's taken like this, looking down at it like that. See? Yeah, that's it. Like that.
I think just put it on there and I can just go up with the...
What we should do is install the bracket on this first, then just install the bracket on the car. But we kind of did it backwards, if you ask me.
Okay. I got these down.
Yeah, those are tight. Now we got to tighten this, orientate this in a relaxed position. Does it say where where to clock this?
No.
Doesn't? All right, we'll just put it back as far as we can so it doesn't rub the body and tighten it down.
Now, you will need to cut off the metal bracket that once secured the auxiliary radiator with 2 welded studs. Okay, so the whole welded stud bracket.
This here.
Yeah, we need to cut that sucker off.
Here and here.
Yeah.
What's all this tape over here for?
It's for taping or for painting.
What are we painting?
The part we cut.
Oh, paint the bone in.
Yeah, all right, so you'll cut off the bracket. This will make space for the carbon tube. So we cut it right down there.
Let me see.
Use a fiberglass cutoff disc held in die grinder. Cut the auxiliary mounting. You can scribe the line first, make good cutting pass. Mark the line as well.
Scribe any line.
Okay, so then we deburr it, and then we paint it. Oh, and then I need to round off the edge.
Radius it?
This here. So this here, this plastic.
Uh-huh.
Alright guys, we'll see you a little bit.
See ya. Now things are going to move a whole lot slower.
Yeah, I'm gonna get more SD cards.
This might be a little bit mangled. I said it'll be a little bit mangled, but it'll work. This needs to be rounded off. A what?
Flap this.
I don't have one.
Just had them.
Oh.
Do this.
I think that's what we need. Clean. Install the edge trim. Okay. So we probably got to do our charge pipe before we mess with any of this stuff. We need the stock air box. Do I have it? Crap, I never even thought of that. Because what happens when the force pulls you back, your foot naturally comes off the gas. You have to keep your foot to the floor. The foot